Guided App Creator has 3 panes to create an application: the General Info pane, the Data pane, and the Design pane. This video covers the Data pane. Use the Data pane to add tables to an application. The whole process involves creating the table, adding fields to the table, and then configuring extensibility, numbering, and access to that table, finally, before adding the table to the application. Select an existing table from the Tables field, or click Create New Table to create a new table. Select a strategy for creating the table. You could choose to upload a spreadsheet to create the table from the spreadsheet fields. You could extend an existing ServiceNow table and add fields, or create a table from scratch. The example here uses Create Table from Scratch. Click the Continue button. The next step is to add fields to the table. Click the Add a New Field link to add a field. Give the field a label. This is what users see when they access the table. Give the field a name. This is the name that is used in scripts. Notice the field name is automatically created from the field label. And then select a field type, such as string or integer. Depending on the field type, there may be additional field configuration fields. For example, the character limit field in the example is available only for strings. Click the Expand Collapse icon to see advanced configuration options, such as the ability to set the field as mandatory, or to make it the display field, which is the field used when the table is used as a reference field. Add as many fields as you need, and then click Continue when done. The last step in creating a table is to set the extensibility and numbering scheme, and to manage access to the table by role. Give the table a label. Just as with the fields, the label is what users see, and then the table name is the underlying name used by scripts. To make something extensible allows other tables to extend the table that you've created. Select Auto Number to set up the record numbering strategy. You can set up and identify a prefix for the numbering used for the table, a starting number, and then the number of digits to use in the automatically generated numbers in the numeric part of the number field. By convention, record numbers typically begin with a 3-character uppercase string followed by some number of digits. Leading zeros are added if needed to achieve the required number of digits. So setting this number of digits value to 6 in this example, the starting number field here contains a 4-digit number, but the number of digits is 6. So 2 leading zeros would be added to the 1000, and the initial record in the table would be MYC 001000. Use the Manage Access section to grant access to tables by role and to set the role permissions. The role was created previously in the General Info pane, but new roles can be added with the Add Another Role link. Select what access the role should have to the table. Deselecting Delete, this user now has the ability to create, read, and write or update records in the table. After configuring the extensibility, numbering, and access, click the Continue button. Guided App Creator creates the table in the database. A success message indicates the table has been created. The My Custom App table has 10 fields, even though only 2 fields were created in the example. ServiceNow adds a standard set of fields to all tables. Click the Continue button to proceed. At this point, click the Create New Table button to create more tables, or click the Done with Tables button to proceed to the next pane. The Guided App Creator Design pane is covered in another video.